Cool guys don't look at explosions. They blow things up and walk away. Yeah. They blow things up and walk away. Yeah. Cool guys don't look at explosions. They just simply walk away. And they do this, they do that. Yeah. They blow things up and walk away. Cool guys don't look at explosions. They blow things up and walk away. And the fire flames will rise up the heat. Don't blow things up and you're a bad sport. If you do this at home, kids, you're bad kids. But trust me, don't do this at home. I've done this in my Tune game. I'll say this. You're bad kids. But seriously, don't do this at home. If you, man, I should drink bleach. I don't drink bleach. Seriously, don't drink bleach. Seriously, if you're at home and you're watching, just don't drink bleach. All right, it could kill you instantly. So, cool guys don't look at explosions. They just simply walk away.